For fundraising strategy, I'll just echo with Anupam. We have also kept it very simple because for very recently, when we were in the market to raise $1 billion, we had option either we go to external currency borrowings or we go to domestic market. So we have simply gone to the domestic bankers. We have put our request. This is what we want, and while right now the appetite is there in the market, so we could easily secure the debt which is required at the competitive rate. Having said that, whenever we need some kind of financing, we look at it, what is my long term goal? Are we looking for long term? I'm looking for short term. Because if you go to the capital market, generally those will be for shorter period of tenure, which is 3 to 5 years max. And if you need a funding for 15 to 17 years, the option right now in India is either you go to multilets or you go to the bank loan. That's a fairly simple options. In case of multilet, sorry to say, it's a long process. It's a compliance, it's a lot of requirement, ESDD and all those things technically take probably 6 to 8 months time. But whereas you need to invest for the project, you need to acquire, you need to make the payment, probably meeting those timelines is always a delta. So generally that's what in India right now we prefer. Let's secure the rupee term loan limits so that we can draw down as and when required. And currently the banks, especially when you have platforms which is AAA rated, backed by marquee investors, are ready to fund at very, very competitive rates, which is almost near to close to CD rate, which is prevailing, which is sub 8%. So those even external currency borrowings or even multilets at times not able to meet those targets. So our strategy, generally we keep it simple, secure the rate and ensure that whatever your terms, everything is benchmark and accordingly we'll work on.